Today I will show you how to add a matching pant fabric border to both sides of the dupatta. Everyone, Assalamu alaikum Nazrin and hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Dolly Fatma Fashion Designer. So let's start. First I have this red dupatta and this is the white fabric for both sides on the dupatta. First I will join these two pieces and then I will cut them to make strips. First I am folding it. After that I am cutting away the extra fabric. Look at this everyone. Now I am cutting this folded fabric in two pieces. Now I am placing the measuring tape on the fabric and I will measure and cut at 1.5 inches. Now I am joining these strips together. The thread wasn't breaking, so I am cutting the dupatta from both sides. Look at this everyone. First I am attaching the strip to the back sides of the dupatta. Fold the raw edge inside for a clean, professional look. Now I am stitching along the edges and stitching it down. Now I am turning the strip to the front side. Stitch it down. Now fold the other edge half an inch and stitch it down. This is one side and other side will be done the same way. Here is the final look. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more design. Assalamu alaikum.